bro, get out of the car.
Yeah.
Get out of the car.
Okay.
Get out of the car, and you can. Get out of the car now.
Yes.
Get out, face the car.
Wait,
Get out, you're being detained.
Okay, but
Don't mess with me.
I'm not.
Face the car, then we'll talk about it. Face the car.
Okay.
Very easy.
This is a legal analysis of body camera footage from a felony arrest on February 19th, 2023.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'm the one that called.
I know. You still have the purse?
Nope, we got it back.
You got the purse back?
This guy got it back from me.
Okay. Hey, bro, get out of the car.
Yeah.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, and you can. Get out of the car now.
Yes.
Get out, face the car.
Wait,
Get out, you're being detained.
Okay, but
Don't mess with me.
I'm not.
Face the car, then we'll talk about it. Face the car.
Okay.
Very easy. Don't move.
I'm not.
Keep your other hand on your head.
I'm retired. King
listen,
County
sir.
softball.
Thanks. Put your other hand on your head.
Sir.
Thanks, bro. Other hand right here.
Okay.
Put it here. We'll talk afterwards.
Okay.
You're not going to do anything right now. Stop.
Sir.
Got it?
Yes.
6 from 11, 1 to 10.
Wait, hold on. Can you guys listen to me, please?
Not yet. You're detained. We're going to figure it out. You got it? Stop. Just stop talking. You hear me?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
She got all her stuff. Like,
Hey, I'm going to Mirandize you before you say anything. You got it? And then you go ahead and talk to me all you want. You good, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you good?
I'm great.
All right, good. Bill.
Give me my information. I was the one that caught him first. Do you need anything from me?
Yes, please wait. Thank you.
sir.
You want me to go or you want me to hang?
I got some guys coming. We're good.
Okay.
All right, hey, stop. You have the right to remain silent. I'm reading your rights. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Right at this time to talk to the lawyer, have him present with you while being questioned.
Sir.
If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before a question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and answer your questions and make any statements. You understand?
Yes.
On Miranda, the officer's procedure was textbook under Miranda versus Arizona. He explicitly halted questioning, stating he would Mirandize before any statement was taken. All 4 required warnings were recited, and comprehension was affirmatively confirmed. Under Burgess versus Tompkins, continued engagement after warnings constitutes implied waiver. The suspect never unambiguously invoked silence or counsel as required by Davis versus United States. His false exculpatory denial will likely be admissible as evidence of consciousness of guilt.
All right, so having those rights in mind, you want to tell me why you took that lady's purse? Be straight up, man. Don't play with me.
I'm not playing, sir.
I asked you a direct question. Answer it.
She got all her stuff.
Did you take her purse? Bro, you're going to want to stop playing.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Did you take a purse? Answer my question.
She got her.
I didn't ask you that. I said, did you take a purse?
Sir.
This is a big question. Answer my question.
No, I didn't.
How'd she get it back from you if you didn't take it? So you lying to me right away. This is how we want to play. That's fine. Hey, we're walking to my car. Let's go.
Oh, wait.
Just walk like a normal. It's very easy.
Okay, you're
There we
twisting.
go.
You're twisting.
I'm not twisting.
Sir, listen.
What? Here, face the car.
Okay, you're twisting my arm.
No, I'm not. Separate your feet.
Sir.
What are you trying to say? You're not answering questions. You're just saying, sir, she got her stuff back. Sir, she got her stuff back. Sir, she got her stuff back. Unless you want to answer my question.
I'm just asking you.
No. You don't get to ask questions right now. Get in the back of my car.
Okay.
Get in there.
Sir.
You feel like answering questions? Or
Sir, can
you want to answer or not?
you please park the car?
I don't care about your car. Hey, get out, talk to this guy. You got him?
Sir.
I appreciate it. I'm okay. All right. Thank you. You're so welcome. I'm so glad we could help. There are amazing people in this world.
I can hear everybody.
Were you the one that had your purse stolen? Okay.
For a moment, thank
There's a
goodness.
shooting going on, so I gotta.
Go.
No. I'm gonna stay here and talk to you. It's just gonna be a kind of rushed interaction right now, okay?
Yeah, I mean, this
so
is
can you tell
nothing.
me what happened quickly? Here, I'm gonna
Yeah, I can.
independently over here.
Can
you tell me what happened?
Yeah, I just was loading my car and I'm very mindful of my purse locking and everything, and I put it way up above where I was. It started loading, and he just literally came out of nowhere.
Okay.
Shoved me, grabbed my purse, ran.
He pushed you, and
Shoved
did
me.
that cause you any pain?
No.
Okay, and emotionally, how did you feel when you were pushed?
I'll give this to her. Just disbelief.
She's got my ID. I'm the one that got the guy first.
Okay, can I
He's
just
the
take
one
a
that caught
photo?
him. Yeah, that's what I'm
Anything you need, I'll give you verbal my phone.
folks in the car.
Okay, sir, can you please...
Just a minute.
Can you please listen to me?
Hey, lost convention over at Costco. Okay. So if you guys need video, I can grab it for you guys. Okay. Do you know where the victim is? Is this her? It's one of these. I'm not too sure one of them. Okay. Did anybody else witness it? Did you see it? No, I didn't. I just came out. Okay. Are you able to get access to the video right now? Yeah, I can go check it. Do you know what part of the lot it happened at?
He came running from just the center lot. When I was coming up here, he came across and he was acting just off. Like panic, kept looking over, then I saw him run, so I started running where he was the first to approach him and got the purse back. And then I came up and that's when I figured out, okay. So he doesn't look like he would have a pink purse. Okay.
How did you feel emotionally when you were pushed and your stuff taken, your purse taken?
Angry.
Okay.
And then at myself and him, and then very frustrated because I realized what was in here. And then just the fact that someone would do that to another human, I was really mad. So then I went running after him and fell. I mean,
she screamed the entire way, which was perfect because then we all.
And then that guy that our partner detained, was that the guy that did this? Okay.
The guy that
do you want to press charges against him?
Yes,
if you don't, he'll do it to somebody
else. The reason
else.
why is him pushing you and stealing your stuff. That's enough for robbery too, which is a serious crime.
If he doesn't do it to you, he's going to do it to somebody else.
Here, we'll talk over here. I got to talk to you.
The core legal question is whether the conduct constitutes robbery or simple theft. Under common law, robbery requires 4 concurrent elements that must all be satisfied. A taking of personal property from the person or immediate presence by force with intent to deprive. The shove, described by the victim, satisfies the force element in every U.S. jurisdiction. Critically, the offense completes the instant these 4 elements concur. Subsequent recovery of property does not retroactively eliminate completed criminal liability. This principle is the central legal misconception expressed by the suspect throughout the encounter.
And your groceries are in the car.
I don't. Can I change my mind if I say yes?
You could always change your mind. You could always recant. That is an option. You could always also say no and then later change your mind and say yes. There's something called statute of limitations. Kind of like at this point, just need to know if you do want to prosecute or not. And then, again, like if you later on, after sleeping on it, after sitting on it, change your mind, you're always inclined to do that. It's not an absolute right now.
Okay, yeah.
You want to? Okay. I'm going to get a record statement from you, if possible. Do you have your ID on you?
Of course. Thankfully, I do.
Okay, you've been Miranda's already?
Yes, but...
You understand your rights?
Officer.
Do you understand your rights?
Yes, but
okay,
please.
would you like to talk to me?
Yes, can you please call my girlfriend and pick up the car?
No.
Please.
No.
Can you... Please.
Do you want to tell me what happened today?
Officer, please.
Do you want to tell me what happened today?
I'm literally begging you.
Do you want to tell me what happened today?
This is the only car...
I want to know what happened today. I'm not worried about your car right now.
Sir, please. I'm literally...
Can you tell me what happened today?
I'm literally begging you.
Okay. You don't want to tell me what happened. Actually, do have a sip up.
Sir.
Turn and face the car.
Sir, I'm begging you. I'm begging you.
Widen your stance. You have anything on you? Widen your stance.
No.
You have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, or hurt me?
No.
Okay.
But... Please.
So just so you know, you're under arrest, okay?
Okay, but...
For robbery too.
Please, sir. I'm literally asking if you can call my...
On the seizure itself, the officer correctly announced detention before escalating to arrest. Under Terry v. Ohio, investigative detention is permissible on reasonable suspicion. Here, eyewitness accounts and recovered property supplied full probable cause under Beck v. Ohio. The vehicle exit order is independently authorized under Pennsylvania v. Mims. On use of force, the standard from Graham v. Connor governs the analysis. Reasonableness is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective at the moment of decision. The force used was limited to handcuffing and escort holds, well within constitutional bounds.
We can cross that bridge when we get there, okay?
And then how much would you evaluate your purse and all your belongings to cost altogether?
Right at this moment, because I just have a lot of people to pay, I have $1,500 in cash.
Okay, so
and
quite a
then,
bit.
You know, maybe a couple thousand.
Okay. All right, I'll be right back. Okay.
Please, I'm literally begging. I'm literally begging you. I'm literally begging you.
Okay.
Please.
I hear you begging me.
Please.
I told you we'll cross that bridge when we get there.
They threw the keys in the car.
Who threw what keys in what car?
The cop threw the keys in the car.
Okay.
But please, can you please call her so she can pick up the car? Please.
In the back, ma'am, search your going to crotch area. I go down the seat.
I'm cooperating with you.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Can you please call her?
Sit down.
Can you please call her? Please. To pick up the car.
This is gonna get tight, Jones.
I'm literally begging you, please.
I hear you.
Can you please do that? Can you please do that? You guys got me, please.
What's your name?
Please.
Hey, how are you feeling?
Better?
Yes. You were very tearful earlier.
I was
I'm
just
sorry about
stressed
what
out.
you had to go through.
I cry when I get angry too.
No, it's
anyway.
fair. So we're gonna do the report statement now. So I'm just gonna ask what happened. I might have follow-up questions, just because there's some specifics. So the more specific you could be, the better. Could you tell me what happened today?
Just coming out of Costco with a lot of groceries, loading up my vehicle. I'm very diligent about putting my purse way up so it's not in reach. Next thing I know, this guy is there. He shoves me out of the way and grabs my purse, and in a split second, I realized what was happening. Kind of got up and then started running after him and fell, screaming, and next thing I know, so many people were helping, and I guess surrounded him, or some gentleman got my purse. And then he got in his car, and next thing we know after that, he's literally in a little traffic at a stop sign, and everybody realized it was him. They surrounded the car. I'm just lucky.
At any point when he took his purse, your purse, did he physically touch you at all?
Oh yeah. No words were exchanged, but he literally, he shoved me, and it was him on my right side, me, and then the cart. So I kind of went into the cart. So the cart kind of, saved me from going to the ground. But other than that, he took off.
Okay. When you say he shoved you, was it like a shoulder barge? Was it with one hand, two hands?
Yeah, it's not video. So it was two hands kind of like shoved out of my way type thing.
Can you please?
Is that her car or is it your car?
That's her car, and that's the only car she has.
Okay.
Please let her come and get it. I'm literally begging you, please. That's the only car we have. And she needs to get to work. And we don't even have the money to get her out of the thing. Are you calling her?
I will when I get there. I'm not calling her right now. I have other things I need to take care of first.
Can you call her so that she can get down here? She literally lives like 5 minutes away from here. She got her stuff back. She got everything back. There's nothing that...
Only because you had nowhere to go and they surrounded you.
No, I threw the stuff back.
Goodness gracious, dude.
I dropped it way before everything was everybody was coming.
Well, that was a little too late. So you're not getting the car back. You can stop asking.
She got her stuff back.
So you think that's okay? You think that's fine? She got her stuff back, so it should all be okay now?
I'm already going to jail.
So now I should do favors for you because she didn't get hurt and she got her stuff back. So I should do you a favor. Is that what you're saying?
Sir,
Is that what you're saying?
I'm literally begging you, please. So why can't I just get a ticket though?
Because what you did is a felony crime. You try to take someone's stuff away from them, from her person. That's a felony. That's robbery. You can't do that. And if you do, you don't just get a ticket for it.
Grades follow. The arresting officer receives a B for sound procedural fundamentals. The victim interview officer receives an A- for trauma-informed technique. The suspect receives a D for comprehensively undermining his own defense on camera. The victim receives an A. Citizen interveners receive a B+ for effective but risky action. 3 lessons emerge. First, force plus taking equals robbery, regardless of property recovery. Second, silence after Miranda is the single most protective right a suspect can exercise. Third, citizen intervention in felonies is lawful in most states but carries real legal risk. For officers, the discipline of pausing speech to administer Miranda is the procedural gold standard. Let us know what legal topic you would like analyzed next in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.